Yes, hello, this is Thomas, and yeah, I'm here alone tonight. Not much is happening yet. This is the weekly developer team meeting, but the activity level on this project, which is the website one project for Agile Ventures at work, has been relatively low over the week that has passed, or the weeks that has passed. But me and Sam had client meeting spread over 2 days. We did some overview of the current log that is we have been working on lately, and we accepted some stories. And today we had a priority meeting where we prioritized by the backlog and moved some things out of the way to the icebox. And I see we have Raul with us. How you doing, Raul?
Good, and you, Thomas?
Thank you very much. I'm fine. I'm fine. It's Friday night, so it's,
yeah.
But yeah. So let me just share my screen here, and we can jump over to Pivotal Tracker. I was doing some updates on a document that we have in the website one project that has to do with the data migration. Yeah, and Heroku recently made some changes to that.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, so I was just updating some stuff, and I was doing some trying out some commands on another app, a side project of mine. But I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm getting some errors here. Could not resolve. Yeah. So this is not working, and this is straight from their. Yeah, this is
tutorial they have.
Yeah.
Documentation.
So this is really weird, actually. But we don't have to do this now. I can. I'm just gonna save this, and
okay.
If you feel like playing around with this on some to do some updates in this documentation, that would be good. If DevOps is of any interest.
Okay.
Personally, I'm trying to stay away from that. But yeah, so yeah, so we I won't be able to stay for long today because family is calling. But we got most of the stuff that we had in the current out of the way, and we prioritized the backlog today, me and Sam.
I actually watched that video this morning.
All right. Okay.
While you guys were busy, I was kind of in the background watching.
Yeah. Okay. There you go. Always nice to have some viewers. Okay, great.
Yeah, I just couldn't touch because I was at work already. Yeah.
Okay. Understand. So, is there anything here that you feel that you could start, to work on? If you saw our discussion earlier today, perhaps is there anything that struck out that this is something I would like to get involved in terms of what stories?
Okay, so yesterday, what I started looking at those stories you pointed me at, where we had to refactor or write specs for some of the stuff that you had implemented already. So I started working on it last night. I think I wrote like one spec for one helper class already. So I was just the meeting today for me was just about to find out how is the process about making pull requests and all that. How do you usually do that? Do I need to create a pull request per user story, or I can just do all the work and then just make one pull request? I don't know how.
Okay, then I can explain that to you actually. So if there's, for instance, if you're interested, if you start to work on this story, spec for application helpers projects helper, right?
I think that's the one I actually did yesterday.
Cool. So first of all, I don't know, are you assigned to that story here in Pivotal Tracker?
No.
So let me remove the old people. because they are not working on that anymore.
Okay.
And Raul, this is you, right?
Yes, default. That's me.
Okay, cool. So now you are the owner of this story,
The
right?
story. Okay.
And what we want you to do is to create one pull request per story. So
Per story. Okay.
yeah. So when you have worked on this, you just go ahead and push everything. You create a branch on your local machine. You push
Mm-hmm.
that up to your GitHub repository,
Yeah.
and from there you create a pull request to our develop.
To the develop branch of the upstream.
Yes, sir. That's right.
Okay.
And try to be as verbose as possible. Like let me show you what I mean. Yeah, let's see here. We have two pull requests open.
Mm-hmm.
So you give the pull request some sort of a name, and
Yeah.
here you try to link to that pivotal tracker story.
Mm-hmm.
And the link to this particular story, if you have this story open, you see this button here.
Yeah.
If you copy the, if you just click that, you copy the
It's
link
gonna
to
copy the link.
yeah.
Okay, then I can paste it into the GitHub.
Yeah, so you just, and then you kind of explain what you've done,
Mm-hmm.
in the description of the pull request, and then you just submit the pull request. And what will happen after that is that the semaphore pick that pull request up. And for instance, here we have a pull request made by some pretty called
Yeah.
dependencies update, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let me show you that on GitHub.
So
So this is that pull request, right? So every time he makes a commit to that pull request, because this one is an open pull request still, every time Semaphore picks that up and he runs all the tests.
okay.
And in this particular pull request, we have a problem with the headless driver that we are using. We made a switch from Poltergeist to WebKit just to test some things out, but the tests are failing on this one,
Okay.
But in any other case, if you've done everything okay, this will basically pass. It will be, have a green color on this, and it will also tell me here on GitHub that it has passed all the tests.
Okay.
Yeah, and since I am the owner of the main repository, I can merge your pull request into the code base.
Okay.
So. But first of all, we do a code review, and
yeah, I went through some old pull requests, and I saw that you guys were doing some reviews and all that.
Yeah, yeah. So this is the part where we about the learning process, because for us the pair programming opportunities are the best way to learn and best way to code together.
Okay.
But the peer code review is equally important thing for us. So everything is done properly.
So the other thing I have is usually during the week I'm a bit like swamped with work, but I don't know how's the pair programming work like. How do I find out about who is available for pair programming, for instance?
Yeah, the best way to do that is that when you sit down in front of your computer, if it's Saturday morning or Sunday morning or whenever, just sit down. So what you want to do is to if you're going to work on website 1, for instance, you just go to the website 1 project page on agileventures.org, and click this Start a Hangout on there button.
Okay.
Because when you click that, the Hangout will start, and there will be automatically a notification on Slack channel that there is a pair programming session going on.
Okay.
And that is automatically published in the website 1 if that website 1 pair programming, like this one you see here, Sampriti earlier today. This post here is not made by Sampriti, but rather by the
bot. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and also it will be published in pair notifications, and I think general. Yeah, the general channel. I think I'm not sure, but at least it will be published in pairing notifications and in the website one channel.
Okay.
And then you just you go ahead and do your business. You just pair program. You just program for yourself, and
Okay.
quite often somebody jumps into that session, or you can write something in the channel. Yeah, I'm still I'm still available for pairing. After a while. But you don't have to, if you don't want, you don't have to record your sessions when you're alone, of course, because that's like it's awkward sometimes. But if you have somebody with you, like like you and I are talking now, we are recording this. I think yes, we are. So if you do pair, it's a good thing to actually record that.
Record the session. Okay.
Yeah, and then you have to have a YouTube channel connected. I don't know if you have that, but that will be automatically posted on your YouTube channel and also under on your profile on Adventures.
Adventure. Okay.
So and then that kind of builds up your portfolio of pair programming sessions, and after a while we don't have that implemented. We have a system of points and badges and reputation that we are developing.
There's actually I came across one, the karma calculator. Is that it?
Yeah, that's it, and it's not fully implemented yet. I have an idea about a slightly different method to do that, but haven't allocated any resources to that yet.
Okay.
So
all right. The other thing, like
anyway,
you mentioned, if you remember this morning, I said I was getting a cucumber error. One of the tests was failing.
Yeah. What was that? What have you figured out what?
No, I still can't. I'm just going to show you now that error on my side. And I'm just starting the screen share now.
Yeah, sure. Raoul, you were down in South Africa, right?
Yes, I'm in South Africa right now. Okay. But I'm originally from Cameroon, eh? I'm just yeah. So I'm in South Africa for studies and all that. Yeah.
Ah, we have 7 users in South Africa. It says here.
Yeah, I saw on the map there were 7 people from South Africa.
Yeah, and 1 in Mozambique. Yeah. And where is Cameroon? Where's that located in Africa? Is that?
Right in the central part of Africa. Hopefully, I will show you if I go to the. Can you see my screen?
Hold on. Yes, I can.
Okay, cool. So, if we go to the dashboard now, I think that's the easiest way. So we just right here. You see that?
Yeah. Okay, there it is. All right. Okay, so right. Okay, so it's right underneath Nigeria.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right underneath Nigeria. Yeah.
Okay.
So here's the error that I had.
Yeah, you're showing both your screens right now. So perhaps if you want to reshare and just show the screen that is, you know what I mean.
Yeah. I'll do that now. Okay, that should be sorted now.
Yes, it is. Then I should see the project as yes. Never mind that. It always fails on local machines. Yeah.
Okay. So but it will pass on the production one.
Yeah, it passes on the continuous integration on semaphore. Absolutely. It's I don't know what it is. Sometimes it like 2 months ago we fixed this. We refactored that step and it was passing on our machines. Then all of a sudden it stopped, and I do not know what it is actually. Some pretty is working on it, but since it's passing on the on semaphore, we just don't mind. I've been trying so many different ways to do this step, and I think we ended up with a step definition that calls a JavaScript snippet, but still, it sucks basically. I don't know what it is.
All right then.
But yeah.
Cool. So then I think I'll also saw that you pointed the I forgot his name and Michelle to some
Yeah, Aaron and
stories
Michelle.
that
Yeah.
Aaron and Michelle. So those look like some stories that I could
Yeah,
potentially look
Aaron
into.
expressed some interest in some front end stuff. So I
Okay.
pointed him to a story that has to do with some
With front end.
UI, yeah, some front end stuff. Basically, small issues here. Uh, we have to hide the round banners from tablets, and this is, it's a very simple fix, but it will take him some time to figure out how to test it, because the tests for UI are rather,
Yeah,
it can be rather hard.
that's
Yeah.
also one issue I usually have. Well,
Hmm.
my thing.
Well, what I did is, let's see, I have some stories that I wrote for testing different sizes of this window. Yeah, let's see where that is. Hey, I'm sorry.
Hey.
It was me. My internet just died, so I had to connect with my cell phone. I don't
Okay.
know what happened. Yeah, so I was just babbling away there. I'm sorry about this. So yeah, well, what I was saying is that we have some steps that are testing, resizing the window while the tests are being run. So we use the
Yeah.
poltergeist driver for that, I think. And so yeah, so if you want to have a look at that, feel free to pair up with Aaron and Michelle. I think Aaron is in Costa Rica and Michelle is on the east coast of the U.S. So they are not potentially not the best people
To pair
to pair.
with, yeah.
But I'm going to be starting on some stories tomorrow. So if you want around 9:30 or 10 o'clock UTC, I was in the morning. I was thinking about programming for an hour and a half perhaps.
Okay.
So if you would like, you and I could do some pairing tomorrow.
Okay, then if I'm available at that time, I'll definitely join you for the session. Okay.
Cool. But okay, let's wrap this up. There's not
All
much
right.
else to go on to talking about today, but yeah. So just work on one story and one pull request, per story,
Mm-hmm.
and just we
Okay.
pick it up from there tomorrow, basically. All right.
Okay. Cool. Awesome.
All right, Road. Take it easy. Live long and prosper.
You
Have a
too.
great evening. Ciao.